for today's video, I'm sharing with you a fun room makeover that I did on my bedroom. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to this channel. My name's Nastazsa and I make videos every single week. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I'm super excited to be sharing this makeover with you. If you guys are familiar with my channel and you've watched it before, you guys are probably going to wonder where everything in my bedroom went. And basically, just to sum it up, everything went to someone that needed it more than me. I actually got the opportunity to donate some things to an orphanage, and I definitely think I went a little overboard with the donations, but I'm super happy that I was able to give back and just provide things to people for them to like decorate, especially those who can't always afford it. So that is where all of that went. If you guys are kind of wondering why there's absolutely nothing in my room, my living room kind of looks the same. So might be doing a living room makeover soon as well. I will link everything that I used in this video in the description box down below for you guys, but without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, just wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown of the plan for the day before we get started. So first things first, I definitely want to add in a few new bedding pieces. That's kind of why I like stripped everything off of the bed. I think that will really help tie everything in together. I definitely need some artwork above the bed, a nightstand, probably some more artwork on the wall over there. Over here, unfortunately, if you guys remember these lamps, I accidentally broke the other one. So my whole little cool lamp situation that I had where I had both of them on the side of my bed is no longer. So I'll probably move this to the living room and get a different form of lighting. I want to put like a huge artwork piece there. As far as this tree goes, I definitely think that I'm going to be giving that to my mom. And then I had an idea that I actually want to put my dresser, which is right here, under that window. So I'll just have like some sort of situation in that corner. I'll have the dresser here with a bunch of like little knickknacks on it. I think it'll look really cute. In that corner, I definitely want to add a mirror just to kind of brighten things up. And then over here, I definitely want to create some sort of like seating area, again, with more artwork. I feel like I love the fact that my room is white and the walls are all white, but it looks very sterile, obviously, because I got rid of most of my stuff, but even before that. So definitely going to add in, I think my accent color is gonna be black, which I usually don't do. So this is definitely a very different type of room makeover, but this is just a little rundown of what we are working with. So again, I think I'm gonna get started with the bed area and the bedding first. So for above my bed, I added in, this is a Lone Fox inspired DIY. So I'll definitely link that down below, and you just clip like magazine clippings to it. I really like the way that it looks. It's super minimal, so I'm probably only gonna put like 4 photos on it and then let all of the other little clips just kind of like hang down. So I'm gonna find a few photos and clip those up right now. All right, so I'm pretty happy with the way that this turned out, only adding 4 photos and leaving the rest of the clips just empty, which is also another option when you do this DIY. So definitely keep that in mind. I really like the way this looks. And now on to the bedding. All right, bedding has been added, and for once I kind of just went with what was most comfortable slash cozy as opposed to what looks the best, because I was sick and tired of having like a ton of useless like throw pillows that weren't even serving any sort of purpose, I guess, other than as decor. So I did find this little body pillow at Target. I'll link it down below along with everything. And this thing is like so cozy. I actually would sleep with this thing. It is not like one of those pillows that's like super uncomfortable that you have to throw off of the bed. Like, it is seriously so soft. Then I have my satin pillowcases. These are great for your hair. I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. I love the fact that they're super closed off and they don't have the cutout right here. The ones I have from Amazon do have like the cutout, and it gets a little annoying. And then the literal coziest pillow of all, this is from the UGG collection at Bed Bath & Beyond. Seriously, like, so comfortable, it is insane. And then the duvet itself, I forgot to mention, it is a linen duvet from H&M Home. It's beautiful, it's great quality, but it does get wrinkled very easily. Keep in mind, this is after me steaming it once. I already steamed it once and it'll probably need to be steamed a few more times just to get all the wrinkles out. So something to keep in mind if you really want linen bedding. All right, so I'm gonna hang this piece that I have back up in my room. A lot of you guys were asking if I was getting rid of this because you guys didn't see it in my bathroom makeover. I actually was just planning on adding it right here in my room. I think it fits perfectly right next to my closet door. This piece in particular is from Marshall's. Unfortunately, after I bought it, I never saw it again. I've never seen it at a HomeGoods or TJ Maxx, anything. But I would say still keep looking, try and find it. I don't really remember what the brand was, but I do know that Urban Outfitters had something similar to this, but it was like $100. This piece was like, I think $14.99 and $12.99. So it's super beautiful. It's just a bunch of little mirrors on chains. It's been like less than 30 minutes, I think, since I told you that I broke the other lamp like this, and this just broke too. Cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and then we'll get back to the rest of the room makeover. Guess I won't be using this lamp in my living room after all. Actually going to take what just happened as a sign that I need to eat something. So I'm gonna be making these sweet potato and corn tacos from Green Chef. Huge shout out to them for sponsoring this video and sending me such a delicious meal. I cannot wait to cook this. All right, so if you guys don't know what Green Chef is or you've never heard of it, Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company that makes eating well super easy and affordable with plans that can fit any type of lifestyle. I decided to choose the plant powered, which is a vegan and vegetarian meal plan, but they do also offer paleo, keto, balanced living, as well as family. My favorite part about Green Chef is that all of the ingredients are pre-measured, prepped, and portioned basically for this meal. Also super easy because look at the step-by-step instructions. You have them written and you have the photos. And probably my favorite part is all of the ingredients are handpicked and delivered straight to your door. Sauce has already been made and mixed up. I have that cooking in there. And then we are also making the onion sauce now. And another awesome thing, you guys have seen me work with HelloFresh in the past, and Green Chef is actually now owned by HelloFresh, which allows them to offer like a wider variety of meal plans to choose from. So you can kind of switch back and forth and know that you're gonna get the same great taste. Green Chef was actually so kind and they are gonna give my subscribers $80 off. So all you have to do is head on over to www.greenchef.us/Nastazsa80, enter the promo code Nastazsa80, and there you have it. You'll get your $80 off. That will also be in the description for you guys to check out. I'm going to seriously eat this, probably inhale it in like 2 seconds, and then we are going to continue on with the room makeover. I did go ahead and move my little nightstand that I'm gonna be using in here. It's just a concrete side table, and I think it's just very different and unique, which I liked. Over here, I put in this huge art piece that I got from Pottery Barn, but I do need some sort of light fixture to go right here, so got that from World Market. I'm gonna install that next, and then I did end up moving the dresser over here. Love the way that that looks. We have the mirror already reflecting that light, so nice. And then this is another piece that I got from Pottery Barn. I've had these for months in the box, like ever since, if you guys saw, I worked with Pottery Barn on like a friend's room makeover. That's how long I've had these. And I actually ended up buying these with my own money. I just kind of discovered them doing that partnership, but this is kind of why that lamp broke. This fell over when I was opening it. I'm happy that the lamp broke, honestly, and not this piece, because this was really expensive, but I did get it on sale. I'll link it down below. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna put the little seating situation here, and then I'm gonna place that above and see what it looks like. And I realized that this corner was extremely neglected, so I just put in this Hearth and Hand glass vase jug. Unfortunately, I don't think these are available anymore. And then I just added in these UV stocks that I got from Pier 1. I know CB2 has these as well, but I opted to get the ones from Pier 1, and I think it looks really good in the corner there. Kind of fills it, and super simple, like also very affordable too for the size. So that looks really good. So I'm adding in this like beautiful settee that I got from Safavia. It's seriously such good quality, and I definitely wanted to add some sort of seating to the room. So I think it'll look really great on this wall. Planning on putting this photo above it, but this is so heavy that I don't think I have what I need to properly hang it on the wall slash do it by myself. So I'm gonna put this in place and kind of like lean this right here just to get an idea of what it's going to look like, and then I'll do that at a later day. All right, so this is what it looks like. Obviously, I think it's gonna look a lot better once it's hung up. Another thing that I think I'm gonna do, I do love these pillows. It actually comes with the settee, but I'm gonna switch them out, and I'm actually gonna use these pillows on my couch because they're seriously so nice. All right, now that I switched out the pillows, everything is pretty much in place as far as where it goes in the room, but it's definitely time to style the nightstand, add the little light on the wall, and then we are going to also style the dresser, and then we'll be done. And then for the nightstand, I'm keeping it very minimal. I got this reed diffuser, also from the UGG collection at Bed Bath & Beyond, and seriously, they had a sample of this and it smells so good. It's the cedar scent. And then I have this piece of petrified wood that if you guys didn't see my last vlog, you would have seen me shopping at HomeGoods. I found some really awesome stuff. So if you didn't catch that video, I'll link it down below. And then this is, to me, like the perfect little mini mid-century modern lamp. And it is from Project 62 at Target. It was on sale for 25 bucks, and this is like such a beautiful linen lampshade, and I loved the wood on the legs. Feel like already with the lamp alone, the nightstand looks so good. So then I'm also going to add this little petrified wood piece, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put together the diffuser right now, and then I'll add it right there. I'm sure over time I'll end up filling this little nightstand up a little bit more, but for the time being, I am obsessed with the way that this looks. All right, now I just kind of put a random assortment of things that I have on the dresser. And like I said, I kind of want it to have like a bunch of fun knickknacks. So I'm just gonna kind of arrange them how I think they'll look good, I guess, and then I'll show you guys like the finished product. All right, so this is how the finished dresser turned out. I really like the way that it looks from far away, just kind of like a cool collection of things, as well as all of these things are either things I use every day or super like meaningful. So this phone, I'd actually been looking for a vintage phone like this for a while, but they're pretty pricey at the flea markets, and I found this one, and it actually belonged to my grandmother. She passed away when I was younger, but I found a bunch of her things recently, and this was one of them. So super excited. It does need a little bit better of a cleaning, but I cleaned it up as much as I could for the video now, and I'll do a little bit more of a detailed clean later. This is just a photo of my brother and I, some Palo Santo. I light this every single day. That really cool wood candle that I found from HomeGoods that you guys were like in love with. Another piece of the petrified wood, also from HomeGoods. This one's just in black. I also found these matches at HomeGoods. I'm gonna take a hairdryer and take this entire label off just so it looks a little better, but for now it will look like that. My oil diffuser from Vitruvi, love this thing. This crystal I recently got from HomeGoods, and a funny story about this, I purchased this for $39, drove to another HomeGoods, and they had them for $399. So I lucked out and got this for $40 when it was supposed to be $400. I actually went back to the HomeGoods the other day, and they've went from $400 to $200, but these are actually a very rare crystal. I forget what country it is from, but super excited about that awesome deal. And then this is a little dragon that is supposed to draw wealth to its owner. This belonged to my dad, and this is something that I immediately was like, one of his things that I'm definitely going to keep is this, and I love the way it looks in my room. So that is just my little collection of things on my dresser. This wall sconce was seriously so easy to install. I actually found this from one of my favorite Instagram accounts. They're called Two Gals Interior. Remind me to link them down below if I forget for any reason, but they're one of my favorite Instagram accounts to follow. They're interior designers in Arizona and they're super awesome. So they actually helped me find this and I was like, where'd you guys get that? And they were like, World Market. And it's perfect and very apartment friendly because it has like a full cord. So you don't actually have to do any of the electrical going through the wall. Again, super apartment friendly and it looks amazing. I think that's actually the last thing I'm gonna add to the room. Now I'm gonna share with you guys how everything turned out. So that was my room makeover. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Check the description box for all those links that I shared. Give this video a thumbs up and a huge thank you to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!